Here we go, Zach.
Round 2.
Round 2. You got this, bud. 10 seconds. Take your grip. Ready. Go. Down. 1. Down. 2. Down. 3. Good job. Down. 4. That's 35 seconds, Zach. Down. 5. 45. Come on, bud. Catch it. Catch it. Whoa. Come on, bud. Still on 5. You got 30 seconds left. Come on, Zach. $15 seconds. Down. 6. Go. One more. Left hand. Real quick. Come on, bud. 10 seconds. Come on, bud. Down. 7. Time. Come on. Let's go. That was 7 and 90. Let's go. Come on, Zach. Come on, bud. Catch. Watch it. Watch it. Oh. All right. Right hand. Go to right hand. You just did left. Come on, Zach. You got this. Catch. Catch. Abs. Abs. Down. 8. That's 2 minutes right there. Two. Come on. Willpower. Come on. Come on, Zach. Down. 9. Good, dude. One more, baby. Left hand. Come on. Come on, Zach. $15 seconds of 3 minutes. I need 10. Let's go, bud. Come on. Hold down. Beautiful. Good job, bro. You got 5 seconds. Come on, Zach. Down. 11.
Man, I got my second.
Dude, that was easier than.
Started hitting the stride.
Yeah, dude.
Got 9.
Oh, good job, bro.
Next time, 15.
Dude.
Next time.
Sickening. 8 10-pound plates each side and a 5-pound handle. Big ups to Sarge for letting us borrow this dumbbell.